very attractive to the customer side. So this font will be your working on in your web application, which it will be very useful to see in your customers. In between, then we will checking on the text color and a paragraph text or a paragraph shadows. All those things we will working over here. Now we are changing all the images of my CSS. Okay, if after I am designing on my HTML, how it will be changing on the images, how it will be attractive, how it will be suitable on my application means I will giving on this particular properties. I will changing in my images what you want. Okay, CSS style images. Okay, here I will giving on the border ratio or a border radius of your images means these properties will be helpful to changing sizes of your images of your web applications. Here I am giving a image property in between the curly braces. I am giving on the border radius is called the 8 pixels. So 8 pixels means it will be shown on the square boxes of your images. So here I am giving the 50%. So 50% means I am giving the oval shape on my images. So we have the difference between the pixel and the percentage over in my images. Now we see on the next properties of the thumbnail images. How to change in your images like a different manner.
Properties of the thumbnail images. Let's access the image through the image ID, and the border is equal to border 1px solid. That defines the border radius, and the border radius 4px defines the radius size of the border, and padding defines the breadth spacing between the thumbnail image, and the width defines the image width, and the IM and this line is for bringing the image for the thumbnail and the alternate.
Said before like that the thumbnail image we are now creating the thumbnail image into the link. First we are creating the image. In that we are set the properties like a border radius, padding and width. In border we are setting the properties 1px solid. That means supposed to be that border will be solid up to the limit of 1px. Then we are adding the border radius up to 4px. That defines the radius to the limit to the 4px. Then we are giving padding into 5px. The padding will be the 5px that limits the difference between distance that defines the image here. Next width, we are giving the width as the 150px. After completing, we are giving the thumbnail image as link. Further, we are giving the image over. The image over means that like we are for example we are creating some website or some advertisement for our store or company, that we are going to click some important notice on the time if we click some for example Krishnan software engineer, the description the software engineer is the over. Next we image over box arrow. The box arrow is the image is the shadow for the box that giving the 002px and 1px RGBA. This value is the for giving this RGBA to the border box arrow. After we are giving the href, that we are giving Paris image as the link and it will be converted to the image source.
On the how to change your images as a statistic pages. Now we see on the how to your images will be responsive of in your layout by layout. We have some properties are giving over here. Will be explained on them.
We are going to see about the responsive images. Here you are accessing the image using image ID, and we are giving the max as 100% and its height is auto. And I think you are giving some functionalities like its display must be in block, and the left margin and the right margin are in auto, and the width is in 50%. For the polarized text, we are giving some certain CSS functionalities like giving its width as 80% and background color as white and back shadow with with background color and back shadow. And in image we are giving width as 100% where the image is aligned to the top, right, bottom, right and left. And for the div container we are giving the text alignment as center and padding as 10 pixel and 20 pixel.
Here we are going to see about transparent image. This is the original image. This is a transparent image where we have included the property of opacity. We have set the value as 0.5. Then we include the filter as grayscale. Then the original image changes to filter image.
About the CSS image reflection. CSS image reflection nothing but we are facing an image reflection only. Let's talk about the properties. The properties are below, above, left, or right.